This is Krishna and you are watching Tech Talk. Welcome back to you with one more new videos. So guys, in these videos we're going to see how the bike shock absorbers are manufactured. Okay guys, so let's get started. So if you are taking these shock absorbers, what are the parts they are using in this shock absorbers, that one I'll explain you. So basically you can see, so this is called damper, this one compression springs, compression tension spring, and this is eyelet, this one inbuilt bracket. So with these brackets the bike it will going to mount fix with the bike from the bottom side. So this is going to mount with the axles. So middle one is the bomb stopper. So when the suspension will happen, so due to this rubber part, this metal and this metal will not touch. So this is for the prevention of that only. So so this is the very simple things, basic things. This is springs and this eyelet at all. So main mechanism is here inside the damper. So that one I will going to explain you. Okay, so this is a damper. So this is a little different because this is bracket type, this is I-ring types. So concept is same, is only. So in every damper they having some small parts. So every dampers are having small part. This is the outer tubes, this is the inner tubes, this is rod guide, spring, oil seal, mud vapor and gas cap. So this is the outer tubes. You can see this one, C molding, these things, this eyelet. So with this wrist pin, so we are adjusting the shock absorber height adjustment purpose, this one. And this is the inner tube. With this inner tube we are adding base valve. So here is a base valve. So base valve will come different for each models. And this is a piston rod. With this piston rod, this is a PV, piston valve. So there is some compression holes, oil compression hole. When this rod will go compress tension, so oils are passing through the hole. Then this is a piston ring, prevent from metal to metal touch, this one. So this is the turning models. Okay, so this PV is having, this piston valves are having with some PVs inside there. Is a retainer, other things. So this is the piston rod. This is a rod guide. So this is the rod guide. So with this rod, first we are putting this one. So this is recoiled springs, rebound springs. Then we are assembled rod guide. Then oil seal. Then mud vapor, then gas cap. So it's all together piston assembly. Oh guys, then what is happening? So what is happening in this process? So this outer tubes are taking with leak test, cleaning everything. Then only we are taking into our assembly areas. So with this we are inserting inner tubes. So after this inner tubes, actually we are filling hydraulic oils, not like hydraulic oils, it's like a similar, but that is called shock absorber oil actually. So that oil for different model there is a limit, some 70 cc, 75 cc, 80 cc, 90 cc, different is. So we are filling here approx 70 75 cc is oil. Then we are inserting this one. So after this insertion, this is going for pressing, still pressing area. So after pressing, you can see it will be like that only. So after pressing, we are doing a spinning. So guys, here we saw actually after press. So this is non-press, these are pressed. So after this press, you can see here this is spinning. We are closing this one. So after this is spinning, now this dumper is fully ready for assembled. Okay. So before going to assemble, so we are going through so many process. For this product validations, we did validations, then it's going for this final assembly. Okay guys, so in this process actually we are manufacturing the shock absorber. So here you can see a different type of shock absorber. So this is the dumper, what I explained, everything, all the process has been done for this. After that, this is spring insertion, then this bomb stopper, then these other things are done. Okay guys, so I think you enjoyed to see these videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel to, and press the hit button to, press the bell icon to get the notifications, all new updated videos. Okay guys, thank you.